माथि आफ्नो नाम लेख्नुहोस्. Write your name at the top. Write your name at the top. म तपाईलाई केही देखाउन चाहन्छु. I want to show you something. I want to show you something. कोठा सफा गर्नुहोस्. Clean up the room. Clean up the room. त्यो राम्रो देखिन्छ. That looks great. That looks great. फेरि आफ्नो अनुहार नदेखाउनुहोस्. Don't show your face again. Don't show your face again. बुढा आमा बुवाको बारेमा सोच्नुहोस्. Think about you old parents. Think about you old parents. धेरै टाढा नजानुहोस्. Don't go too far. Don't go too far. ठुलो स्वरमा बोल्नुहोस्. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. हुन देऊ. Let it be. Let it be. तिनीहरूलाई सही रूपमा राख्नुहोस्. Put them in correctly. Put them in correctly. चुप लागा. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. अलविदा भन्नुहोस्. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. 10 बजे भेट्छु. I will meet you after 10. I will meet you after 10. पटक पटक. Again and again. Again and again. म ठीक छु. I am fine. I am fine. छिटो हिँड्नुहोस्. Walk fast. Walk fast. मलाई हेर्न देऊ. Let me see. Let me see. धिक्कार छ. What a pity. What a pity. तिम्रो के छ? What about you? What about you? उसलाई काकाले पठाउन सक्छ. He can be sent by his uncle. He can be sent by his uncle. कति समय लाग्छ? How long will it take? How long will it take? के तिमी मसँग रिसाउँछौ? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? के पकाउने? What to cook? What to cook? आमालाई अहिले कस्तो छ? How is your mother now? How is your mother now? अंग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि भिडियोलाई शेयर र च्यानललाई फलो गर्नुहोला.